In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete purchase history on Yahoo Mail on phone. We will walk through cleaning out those old order emails so they no longer appear in your mail folders. First, open the Yahoo Mail app on your phone. Look for the purple Yahoo Mail icon, then tap it once. When it opens, you should see your main inbox, with your recent emails listed and a toolbar at the bottom. If you use more than one email account inside Yahoo Mail, make sure the account that receives your purchase receipts is selected at the top of the screen. Now, click on the three-bar menu icon and look for orders. The three bars are usually in the top left corner of the screen. Tap them once to slide open the side menu. You will see a list of sections such as Inbox, Sent, and maybe some custom folders. Scroll through this list slowly until you see the Orders section. Many beginner users miss it because they scroll too quickly, so take a moment and read the folder names. Next, find and tap the transaction you want to remove from your history trail. Inside the Orders section, you will see individual purchase emails, often grouped by store or date. Take a second to confirm you have the right purchase by checking the sender name, the order total, and the date. When you are sure, tap that one email to open it. The full message will appear with the receipt details, item descriptions, and sometimes order tracking links. After that, tap the trash can icon at the bottom of the open email message to move it out of your main inbox repository. On most phones, this trash icon looks like a small bin and sits in the row of actions under the email. Once you tap it, the email disappears from the orders view and moves into the trash folder. If you have several receipts to scrub from the history layout, go back to the orders list and repeat this process on each transaction. A helpful habit is to clear them in small groups, so you do not accidentally delete something unrelated. With a few receipts moved, go back to your main navigation folder list. Use the back arrow in the top left until you see the full list of folders again, similar to what you saw earlier when you opened the side menu. This list should include inbox, drafts, sent, spam, and trash, along with any custom folders you use. Finally, locate the trash folder. Tap the empty trash icon next to the folder name, or open the folder and tap Delete All to finalize the permanent removal. When you empty trash, Yahoo Mail removes every message in that folder, not just the receipts, so be sure you no longer need anything else in there. After you confirm, the trash count drops to 0, and those purchase emails are gone from your Yahoo Mail on this phone. You just cleared your Yahoo Mail purchase history by deleting the order emails and emptying trash on your phone. So if this helped, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe if you want more quick guides like this.